Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional not in today's newspaper, not in the yesterday's newspaper, because it's today's Sunday. Yesterday, Saturday, May the 20th, 2023, we have already solved 1 star and the 4 stars puzzle. Yeah, this one is definitely 4 stars. So 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. It's binary time, and this one will be number 6468. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is 19 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? This one is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double here, 1 there, 1. Double here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then. Interesting. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4, we have here 3 ones in this column. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be no. Alright, double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah. Do we need to compare? That's the question. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3. Come on. Oh, double O, overlooked. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones.
Bijna klaar, hè?
Let me think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare, I think. 1, 2. Yeah, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. I can 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.